respected AGO sir, Rajendra Kumar Reddy sir garu. Good afternoon, sir. Our convener sir, Somsekhar sir garu. Good afternoon, sir. Once again, my dear students, good afternoon to all. In the second unit, respiration, the energy releasing. In previous class, we learned about these topics. Once again, I recall these topics, ma. Introduction of respiration, definition of respiration, functions of respiration, process of respiration, types of life process. Anybody say what is the definition of respiration? Sir, everyone unmute lo unnara?
ఉన్నారు మేడం ఒకరైతే ఉన్నారు.
Anybody say what is the definition of respiration? Say.
Madam, respiration is the act or process of breathing, madam.
Yeah, of course, very good. What is the main concept of this respiration, ma? What is the two process? It dependent to like that now. What is the two process?
Inhalation and exhalation, madam.
Very good, Moshmita. Do you follow everything? Okay. Next, what is the how many types of life process in there in our 10th class? You know, what is the every living organ, all living organisms? How many life processes are there? Anybody say?
Yes, madam.
What are they, ma?
Nutrition, transportation, reproduction, respiration, metabolism, and excretion, madam.
Very good, ma. Okay. I'm going to teach about today in the new topics. What is this topics? See, ma. Mechanism of respiration, types of respiration, difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration, discovery of the respiration, discovery of gases and respiration. I once again recall the Priestley experiment. Okay. The first, I recall what is the definition of respiration, ma. Once I recall this definition, see in this diagram, observed in this diagram, observed in the slide, observed what is the gases exchange in humans. See, ma, see this picture. The first of all, the definition is the term of respiration derived from Latin word. The Latin word derived respire meaning to breathing. Swasa refers to whole cell process from the inhalation of air to the use of oxygen in the cells. In every living organism, it consists of so many cells are there. Very important the role of cells, blood cells, very main role it consists to the in our every living organisms. See in this picture, what is the inhalation? What is the exhalation? Inhalation is input of the oxygen in consists of the lungs. It consists of the lungs, and carbon dioxide is exit of the outside. This is the process of the inhalation and exhalation. See this diagram, the first the part of lungs, internal body of the organs consists of internal human beings or every living organisms. See the organs it produced to them after digestion of the food, it produced in the blood cells. The blood cells it carry to the oxygen, it produce to the, it throw to the lungs. That is the lungs it carry and utilizing to the process of the respiration. This is one type of, you know, one doubt it is rising to like that. Atmosphere also it availability of the oxygen. Atmosphere also it have a plants. The plants it produce to the oxygen. It utilizing to the process of the respiration by the all living organisms. Okay. This is the picture. What is the information it gives like that? Internal organs it produce to the blood cells. Blood cells it produce to the oxygen. Oxygen it throw to the, it push to the lungs. That is the oxygen it carried to, it utilizing to the process of the inhalation. Okay, can you able to understand, ma? Next,
Yes, ma'am.
same like that. In the internal organs, it throw to the exit of the carbon dioxide. Sir, ఇక్కడ ఏదో వచ్చింది సార్, అది క్లోజ్ చేయాలా ఎట్లా?
ఏం మేడం ఏం రాలేదా?
సరే సార్, ఓకే. Carbon dioxide is exit of outside. That is internal body of it produce the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide also blood vessels it carry and it exit of outside. That is exhalation. One inhalation, one exhalation. This totally the process it during to the process of respiration. One inhalation, one exhalation. Oka uchvasa, oka nichvasa is completed after the process. It is called say like that respiration. Swasa kriya. Can you able to understand this slide, ma? Okay.
Yes, madam.
Okay. I give the one share your videos and video share cheyacha.
చేయండి మేడం.
వీడియోకి వెళ్తున్నాను సార్. ఇప్పుడు వీడియో వచ్చింది, దాన్ని ప్లే చేసుకోవచ్చా?
అట్లా రాదు.
కనిపిస్తుందా?
కనిపించదు మేడం. అది స్టాప్ షేర్ కొట్టండి.
ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి సార్?
వీడియో కనిపించలేదు మాకు. ఫస్ట్ మీరు స్లైడ్ లోకి వెళ్ళేసి మళ్ళీ అక్కడ స్టాప్ షేర్ అని ఉంటుంది కదా, స్టాప్ షేర్ అని ఉంటుంది. స్టాప్ షేర్.
ఒక సెకండ్ అన్నాను సార్, ఒక సెకండ్. ఇవి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోయాను తెలియదు.
జూమ్ లోకి వచ్చేసి మళ్ళీ స్టాప్ షేర్ ఉంటుంది.
జూమ్ లోకి వెళ్తున్నాను. సార్ మళ్ళీ ఏందో అడుగుతాను, ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి సార్?
అక్కడ మీకు కనిపిస్తుంది కదా వీడియో, మీరు మినిమైజ్ చేసింది దాన్ని ప్లే చేయండి.
అది నేను దాన్ని ప్లే చేసేదా?
ప్లే చేయండి.
ప్లే అవుతుందా సార్?
కనిపిస్తుంది మేడం.
కనిపిస్తుందా?
ఓకే మేడం, ప్లే చేసుకోండి.
ప్లీజ్ మా everyone see this video.
అది కొంచెం పెద్ద చేయండి మేడం స్క్రీన్.
చేస్తున్నాను సార్. ఓకేనా? కనిపిస్తుందా సార్?
ఆ వీడియోని ఫుల్ ఓకే మేడం కనిపిస్తుంది.
See this video ma. This is the process of the breathing. This is process of the breathing. See ma, everyone observe this video very carefully. This is thoracic cavity ma. This part of rib cage, this part of diaphragm. Next, lungs, right lungs and left lung. Left and right lungs, two lungs situated in the your chest cavity, right and left lungs. This bronchi, that is the tube-like structure. It consists, it is bronchi. See ma, this is cartilage. This part of cartilage. See, this is the nostrils. Two nostrils situated in the your nasal cavity. The exchange of the gases. This is pharynx. See ma, this is one windpipe or trachea. Exchange of the gases. Inhalation and exhalation. Input oxygen, exit of carbon dioxide. See, the gases it carry to the connecting to the overall the blood cells. The blood cells it carry to the oxygen. See ma, all of you. This one chambers like that is situated to the internal body of the every living organism. This is blood cells ma. These are all blood cells. RBC, WBC, blood platelets, RBC, red blood cells. See, RBC, red blood cells. Oxygen is C. It consists like that in the blood cells to communicate with them. See all of you, this is also oxygen is inhalation. See same like that. In the red, the color is red. Ball like structures it for flow to like that now. That is oxygen ma. Same way. This is carried to the oxygen in your internal body of every living organism. Same. That is input of oxygen. Same like that. The bronchus also. Observe in very carefully. See, the carbon dioxide also exit. Same time. Same time, inhalation and exhalation. Input of oxygen. This is inhalation and exhalation. What is it? See, this is the part of
Lungs.
thoracic cavity. That means lungs, situated of the lungs. Okay. See this picture carefully, ma. See, exit of the carbon dioxide. This is exit of carbon dioxide. This is exhalation. This is part of the lungs. Part of the lungs situated in the cavity. Chest cavity. Sir, నేను స్టాప్ చేయాలంటే సార్
స్టాప్ స్క్రీన్ కొట్టండి మేడం.
స్టాప్ షేర్ ఓకే సార్.
మళ్ళీ షేర్ కొట్టి
ఇక్కడ share-
స్లైడ్స్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే సార్. By anybody, what is the video? What is the summary of the video say? What do you can you able to understand what is this video? Anybody say ma? ఈ వీడియో గురించి మీకు ఏం అర్థమైందో నాకు చెప్పగలుగుతారా ఒకరన్నా? సార్ నేను కనిపిస్తున్నానా సార్?
కనిపిస్తాను మేడం.
నాకు వీళ్ళెవరు కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
మీరు స్క్రీన్ ఆన్ చేశారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు కనిపించలేండి, ఇబ్బంది లేదు.
ఓకే సార్. ఎవరు చెప్పరా? This is respiratory system. How to inhalation and how to exhalation, the process role in the human body. First of all, I'm teach to the first topic is mechanism of respiration. See ma. Sir?
ఇది సరిగ్గా కనిపించలే మేడం. మీరు వీడియో యూట్యూబ్ వీడియో ఆఫ్ చేసేయండి. యూట్యూబ్ లో వీడియో ప్లే అవుతుంది కదా, పాస్ చేసేయండి.
ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్, యూట్యూబ్ ఆఫ్ చేసేస్తానండి.
స్లైడ్స్ వచ్చి మీకు నెట్ అంతా దానికి అయిపోతుంది, స్లోగా వస్తుంది.
ఇప్పుడు కనిపిస్తున్నానా సార్? సార్ ఇప్పుడు
యూట్యూబ్ లో వీడియో పాస్ చేసినారు కదా మేడం,
ఆఫ్ చేసేసాను సార్.
సరే ఇంకా షేర్ కొట్టండి.
ఇప్పుడు కనిపిస్తున్నాను కదా సార్? ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా?
ఓకే మేడం, చెప్పేసాను నెట్ అయిపోయింది.
ఓకే సార్, సరే సార్. ఓకే మా, everyone follow this slide ma. What is the mechanism of respiration? The respiration process, it depends on two ways. That is inhalation and next one is exhalation. Inhalation it means input of oxygen. Exhalation it means exit of carbon dioxide. Two gases exchanges. The exchange of two gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide, it depends to inhalation and exhalation. The oral, the process it during to like that, the process of the respiration. Inhalation, exhalation, the exchange of the gases, oxygen and the carbon dioxide, it the process it say like that, respiration. First of all, see this picture also. Exhalation and inhalation. See, the first of all, the inhalation, that means during inhalation, the thoracic cavity is called chest cavity ma. Thoracic cavity expands. Expands means, that means the shape is increased. Vakochamu. During inhalation is a thoracic cavity or is called chest cavity expands. Neekunnatuvanti the body structure, the trunk, it's say the trunk, mondemo antam. That is divide two regions ma. Two regions divided. Upper region, lower region. Lower region It say like that, thoracic cavity, urokuharamu anta. In the lower cavity is called say like that, abdomen, udara kuharam ante udara bhagamu, uro bhagamu. It is divided in the thoracic cavity and abdomen into one layer. It consists of this like that ma. That part is say like that, diaphragm, udara vitanamu. That is divided in the thoracic cavity and abdomen. One layer. See, diaphragm part is the red line situated. Red line it formed to like that. You know this picture.
స్లైడ్
See, lungs. అవునా సార్?
అసలు కనిపిల్ల. ఏమైనా కనిపిస్తుంది అనుప్రియ?
కనిపిస్తుందమ్మా?
కనిపించలేదు మేడం.
కనిపించటం లేదా?
మేడం.
అది క్లారిటీగా లేదు ఇప్పుడు.
అయ్యో సార్, ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ సార్ మార్చేది? ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్తాను, వాళ్ళు ఫాలో అవ్వమని చెప్పండి. The thoracic cavity, abdomen, one layer divided to like that.
దాన్ని వాట్సాప్
That is diaphragm.
మేడం
సార్,
నా వాట్సాప్ షేర్ చేస్తాను.
వాట్సాప్ లో పెట్టేదా? మీకు వాట్సాప్ ఆల్రెడీ పెట్టాను చూడండి సార్ ఆ స్లైడ్.
డిలీట్ అయిపోయింది మేడం. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఫార్వర్డ్
మీకు ప్రెజెంటేషన్ లో చూడండి. మళ్ళా పెట్టాలా?
ఇదేం కనిపించలేదు, మీరు చెప్తున్నారు ఇదేం కనిపించలేదు. ఇంటర్ బాగా వచ్చింది, వీడియో చూపించిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ కనిపించలేదు.
ఈ ఒక్క స్లైడ్ నేను తీసుకోలేను సార్ ఇప్పుడు.
అవునా?
ఈ ఒక్క స్లైడ్ తీసుకెట్లేనే, ఆల్రెడీ నేను దీన్ని పీపీటీ చేసేసానే. మీకు ఉన్న పీపీటీలో ఉంది చూడండి.
నా దగ్గర లేదు. సరే కంటిన్యూ చేసేయండి అట్లా.
సరే సార్, మీకు షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఒక్క నిమిషం, ఒకే సెకండ్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నా మళ్ళా. What is the mechanism of breathing? What is the mechanism of the inhalation, exhalation? It is divided how to you can the process intake of respiration. Okay, the diagram also in one trunk is in your body section. It has a thoracic cavity and abdomen. It is divided to the diaphragm. The thoracic cavity that means situated in the lungs. The lungs main role. The process of the respiration, during the process of the respiration. Okay ma, can you able to understand?
Respiration, understand ma'am.
Okay ma. Sir, next slide sir. Sir, an element era. Okay, next the respirations also divide two types ma. Respiration also, how many types are there? Two types. First one is external respiration, is called as breathing. Second one is internal respiration, is called as cellular respiration. External respiration, internal respiration. External respiration, it only the breathing process. It consists of just like during the process of the externally. The exchange of the gases from the atmosphere in the cells, in the internal body of the cells. It is the process also during to the external. Bahirgata swasakriya. Next, internal respiration ma. Internal respiration is called cellular respiration. Antargata swasakriya lega kanajala swasakriya. The internal respiration also divided another two types. Aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is Vayugata Swasakriya, in the presence of gases. In presence of gases, aerobic respiration, Vayugata. Anaerobic respiration, that means Avayugata, does not presence of gases. Okay, this is the types of respiration. The respiration, two types are there. External respiration, internal respiration. Internal respiration as a divide two types, aerobic and anaerobic respirations. Okay, do you follow everyone?
Yes,
So
madam.
next,
Yes madam.
next sir.
Yes madam.
So then peట్టుకోదా sir share screen. Okay, I give the what is the defined from the external respiration and internal or cellular respiration ma. First of all, what is the external respiration? External respiration is called breathing. Okay, the process by which cells obtain oxygen and release carbon dioxide in externally is called as external respiration. Okay. Next, the cellular respiration. What is the cellular respiration? The process of releasing energy, energy from food. The cellular respiration during to the internally. That means the food given to the energy, the releasing energy, the process of it during to the cellular respiration to be used by the cell. Used by the cells. Okay. Every living organism consists of the so many cells are there. But in the cells also, it connecting to the oxygen and the process, helping to the during the process of the respiration. Okay. The first I give the explanation of the breathing or external respiration. Okay. Often the exhalation is a passive event. The exhaling and inhaling is the one of the way. That means, see the picture also is see, ma. One tube-like section is there. Windpipe. The windpipe it carry to exchange of the gases. The main the process exchange of the gases. Input oxygen, exit of carbon dioxide. See when the rib cage. Inhalation that time, the rib cage is, that means lift up, upside, and exhalation that time, the ribs also in the down, that means lower, down way. Okay, same that time, diaphragm is relaxes. Inhalation that time, the diaphragm is relaxed, that means flat shape. Already in the previous slide, I said no, the diaphragm is relaxes. Which time? Inhalation time. Inhalation, during the process of inhalation, the diaphragm is relaxes. That means flat in shape. Okay. The pressure in the chest cavity is greater than atmospheric pressure. In our atmosphere, the oxygen is input. That means inhalation of in our respiration process, the pressure, the inhalation, input of oxygen. That is the process, it helps to the atmospheric pressure also, it helps to process of the respiration. The air is pushed out to the lungs. The oxygen received to the atmosphere and the oxygen pushed out to the lungs. Lungs also it totally the process during to the respiration. Okay. So next. Next. Sir, ఇది కాదు సార్ దీన్ని ఇది కాదు సార్
అయిపోయింది మేడం
టైం అయిపోయిందా
30 seconds ఉంది అంతే
Next, cellular respiration or internal respiration. See, the cell uses oxygen to release energy stored in sugars. Most of the energy used by the cells in your body is provided by the cellular respiration. Takes place in mitochondria. Antargata Swasakriya.